Let's make brownies. But this time, I'm cooking it myself. And in the end, I'll be tasting this in my friend's house. While this boil, we wait for a few minutes. Now, we wait. This is it, and now let's taste it in my friend's house. We're in my friend's house, and I brought the brownie here. Hey, yo, Lane, say hi.
Good one.
Okay.
You begin first, because you're the one who made it. Okay, we record, we record.
All right.
You know first, I first.
No, they're getting a knife.
I don't know, knife.
Too bad.
I thought the picture was oh, bro. Yeah. Gimana rasanya? How's it taste?
It tastes good.
Bukan apa?
No, it's your lots then.
Did your mom make this or you?
Myself.
Did you get help?
A bit from my mom. Yeah.
Can you move your spoon? If you go here again, spaghetti time. I want spaghetti di depan rumah aku di Indomaret.
Okay, I will. But anyways, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.